it. No, wait, I'm not sprinkled.
See, this thing.
Wait, hold on.
Just the people that say anybody that is doing anything, go and press them.
That's like why you have.
The cooking competition has not even started yet, and level 2, I'm already sorry for level 2. I don't know, but I feel like they are going to lose. First of all, it may not be too much of their fault if they lose, guys. Okay, so I'm doing this video before the competition starts. We'll continue during and after the competition. This is what happened, guys. So this afternoon, Big Brother called them while level 2 were busy preparing their rehearsing their new song, and level 1 just finished their shopping and they were about to prepare their breakfast. Big Brother called them to the diary session and gave them a brief. What was in this brief? A task. Which kind of task? Cooking task. You already know that Beauty is somebody that is very active in the kitchen in level 2. At the same time, level 1 has a lot of good cooks, like Chichi even said it herself that she's a chef. Adenkule is a chef. In fact, most level 1 housemates, they are good at cooking. We see that every day. While level 2, most of them are not good at cooking. Even Christy O this morning was trying to pay farm service to make breakfast for her. So it's like level 2 are a collection of people that are not so good in the kitchen. There are a few that are good in the kitchen, but not as compared to level 1. This is the first reason why I think level 2 is going to lose. Now, what is this loss going to mean for them? It's going to mean, I feel like it would break them, but it will not break them as much as it will normally break a human being. Why? Because I think that the level at which they accept loss is already so great. They don't cry too much over it. They don't beat themselves over it. It may just hurt for a while and then they let it go and focus on other things. That is why I think they are going to lose, but the loss is not going to hurt so bad. At the same time, given that they have lost back to back to back, they have lost 2 head of house tasks, they lost their wager task yesterday, I think that it is really going to affect them. Now, during the preparation of the food, first of all, they were given 2 briefs. The head of house of level 1 read their own brief, and one person also read the brief in level 2. They were given food items in a basket and they were asked to use all the items to prepare the food. So I mean, like, if there is carrot in it, there should be carrot in the food. They should don't avoid using something because you don't need it. Now in level 1, what happened? They got to eat. You already know the advantage of level 1, first of all, is obviously already greater than level 2 when it comes to the size of the kitchen. Level 2 housemates have they have the same number as level 1, but then their space is smaller, so they have to prepare everything on their dining table, which ends up making a mess and making everything look so dirty or unclean. While level 1 housemates, they had already cleaned up, they looked great, and then they started cleaning up as they were cooking and going. I mean, Doyin was just there sweeping after them, and everything was so neat. Everything went on time. When the task was given, Kunle already knew what he was going to make. In fact, Bella and the group, they just went to work, and I could already tell from the way everything was organized that they were going to win this competition. Now the competition is about to start. All they have to do is prepare these meals using every ingredient that they are given, and then take them to the arena and display it. When I look at the food so far, I feel like they have not really shown all the food items yet that they made, but I think level 2 is not as, it doesn't look as appetizing as level 1. But then when it comes to like creativity, level 2 has tried to really be creative with their foodstuffs. For example, they are making their fufu to come out like a star shape. In fact, they're just trying several things. When they told them that there were 10 more minutes, they have not even finished cooking yet. But then they rushed over it, and now that 10 minutes is over, they have also finished up. They are trying to clean up right now, and I don't know, these housemates, I don't know why they wouldn't just wake up early and shower. I just hate to see somebody cooking with a 90. It's so I just dislike it so much. Now Amaka is there telling others to go and dress up, while level 1 housemates are planning to even wear the same attire. Some of them are saying that, oh, I'm already ready to go and all that. So guys, I'm going to see how it's going to go, but there is no, if you have to look in terms of pity, you would want level 2 to win, but this is a game. There is no pity here. They are all competing. You lose and take it. You win and take it. So let's see how it's going to go, guys. Let's see. But I think level 1 will win. So they finally moved to the arena and they presented their food. Remember that each level had 2 groups. So they finally moved to the arena and had to present their food. So Team Goat Meat and Egusi started, and it comprised of Amaka, Daniela, and Beauty presenting to represent the other 3 people who were not there. Vima, please. So they presented this meal, which you can see here. It's not very clear, but the next picture is going to have it clearer. Other people on social media think that it looks a bit like a sacrifice, but I don't know. What is your opinion about it? I hope that a clearer picture surfaces. So I think Beauty and Daniela's presentation was good, but the only issue was that Amaka was battling with words, like it wasn't flowing, it wasn't fluent, but I can't really say whether they are going to win or not. So let's just see how it goes. So there was Team Pasta and Adenkunle. I don't know why this name is so hard for me to pronounce, by the way. So himself, Doyin, and Allison, they presented, and they had pasta, locally made pasta, then international pasta. All of them spoke. Allison stuttered a little, but then Adenkule covered with Doyin because they were like very, very eloquent. Then from there, it was Team Chichi's team, where they presented fried rice with chicken, and yeah, all of them spoke quite well. They were trying to spice it up. And from there is Team Salad. These level 1 guys, they are so scared. I don't know why level 1 boys like to scare people like that. I don't really know why. So the Team Salad, you have Brian, who again? I hope they are not going to leave my Fina to speak, because she's going to go and start hyping there. So Brian, Fina, and Modella, they are the ones to present. Let's see what is going to be. Oh my god, I'm just dying of laughter. So Fina's team was the last team, and they presented salad. Whether it's Caesar salad or however that they pronounced it as Caesar. So level 1s corrected them, and then Fina, you know that Fina is a hype lady, so she was from presenting to maybe creating jokes. Well, someone would say it was unprofessional, so I don't really know whether they are going to win or not, but their food looks great, and the presentation from the 2 people, that's Modella and Brian, was great as well. From Fina's end, she was going from hyping to presenting well, and I don't really know, but let's see who is going to win. But I feel like all the foods look great. If Fina's team win, fine and good. I think that they will deserve it. If any team from group 1 wins, from level 1 wins, I think it's going to be well deserved.
Goat meat, egusi soup, and pounded yam.